The idyllic image of the Sussexes, cultivating a harmonious life in Montecito, has been shattered by a bitter legal battle. Pippa Middleton, the Duchess of Cambridge's younger sister, has filed a lawsuit against Meghan Markle, accusing the Duchess of Sussex of plagiarizing recipes from her own highly successful cookbook, Celebrate, A Year of Festivities on the Farm. The lawsuit, filed in Los Angeles Superior Court, alleges that Markle, in her own cookbook, The Bench, included numerous recipes that bear striking similarities to those meticulously crafted by Middleton. These alleged similarities extend beyond mere inspiration, with Middleton's legal team claiming direct copying of ingredients, cooking methods, and even presentation styles. This is not a case of mere inspiration, states a spokesperson for Middleton. Ms. Markle has blatantly copied Ms. Middleton's original work, exploiting her creativity for personal gain. This is a clear violation of copyright law and a blatant disregard for Ms. Middleton's intellectual property rights. The lawsuit has sent shockwaves through the British royal family and beyond, reigniting the simmering tensions between the two duchesses. While the Sussexes have cultivated a public persona of philanthropy and social activism, this legal action paints a very different picture, one of alleged deceit and opportunism. Markle's cookbook, The Bench, a children's book celebrating the bond between a mother and her son, also features a collection of recipes. However, Middleton's legal team argues that these recipes, presented as mother and son bonding activities, are suspiciously similar to those found in Celebrate, a cookbook renowned for its focus on family gatherings and seasonal celebrations. Ms. Middleton poured her heart and soul into Celebrate, the spokesperson continues. She meticulously researched, tested, and perfected each recipe, drawing inspiration from her own family traditions and a deep love of cooking. The timing of the lawsuit is also noteworthy, coming at a time when the Sussexes are attempting to rebuild their image and establish themselves as independent figures in the United States. The allegations of plagiarism threaten to undermine their carefully constructed narrative of authenticity and integrity. Markle's representatives have yet to issue a formal statement regarding the lawsuit. However, given the seriousness of the accusations, a swift and decisive response is likely. The legal battle promises to be a protracted and contentious affair, with both sides likely employing high-powered legal teams to defend their respective positions. This lawsuit has not only exposed a potential rift between two prominent women but also raises broader questions about creativity, originality, and the exploitation of intellectual property in the modern world. As the legal proceedings unfold, the public will be watching closely, eager to see how this dramatic episode plays out and what impact it will have on the already fractured relationship between the Sussexes and the rest of the royal family.